Aircraft have been used in head-up displays to provide information to pilots since the late 1950s. The optic sits in front of the pilot's eyes and gives him speed, height and other information projected onto a glass lens that he can see through, so it overlays the information on the outside world. But this hasn't been possible for helicopters. In recent years though, we've developed this system, QSight, which is designed to give the same kind of information attached to an optic on the pilot's helmet, so that regardless of where the helicopter pilot is looking, he has the correct information displayed in front of him. On this particular system, we have an optical head tracker that you can see here on the helmet, which allows the systems in the aircraft to know exactly where the pilot is looking. Hence, it will give him the correct symbology or video information from the sensors for the direction in which he's looking, displayed directly in front of his eye. In some systems where the sensor's on the outside of an aircraft, it will give him the direction of information for that sensor as he starts to look in that direction. This technology is now also starting to move into armoured vehicles, and there's great interest in using this technology to allow operators inside an armoured vehicle to use cameras on the outside, thus allowing them to actually look effectively through the armour at the outside world while remaining safe inside the vehicle. The next evolution of this technology from QSight is the Q-Warrior. This is a prototype Q-Warrior system that allows the same kind of display information to be sent to a soldier operating on the ground. It's aimed very much at platoon commanders, forward air controllers, special forces, the kind of people who will benefit from line of sight information being delivered constantly as they're carrying out an operation. The Q-Warrior is a full colour display that allows symbols that would normally be sent over the battlefield network and displayed on a screen for, say, red force and blue force tracking to be displayed as red and blue, conformally overlaid over the object that the soldier is looking at. It also has a head tracking system that tells him where he's looking, but unlike the QSight system, it is a system that allows him to be tracked in free space. So as he wanders across the countryside, it's using a mixture of GPS, inertial navigation and geomagnetic navigation information to plot exactly where the soldier is and what direction he's looking in.